2026, and if you've ever thought about learning to code, now's the perfect time, even if you're still hesitating. In this video, I'll show you how to start coding this year without getting overwhelmed or lost in endless tutorials. If you're new here, I build minimalistic apps and create content about productivity and coding. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you might ask yourself the question, why coding? Coding is a superpower for almost any career, from AI and automation to apps and the web. And despite that, many people think AI is actually increasing the demand for developers, not replacing them. And moreover, even basic coding skills improve your problem solving and logical thinking, which is valuable in many other jobs as well. And you will have many other benefits as well. If you want to start, you first have to pick the right language. And the first rule here is, don't overcomplicate it. So start with HTML and CSS. Watch a short tutorial and then rebuild a simple website yourself. No crazy animations at first, just focus on structure and fundamentals first. After that, move on to JavaScript and build a simple project, for example a calculator. But relatively quick, you have to build a real project instead of just useless mini applications. For example, you can think of an app you actually need or a problem you want to solve. You can also build your own desktop app if you want. And then just start building it. You won't improve by coding dozens of calculators. You will improve by something you don't know. And nothing is too hard. You can just learn with AI, but more about AI later. Another important point is that you have to establish a coding routine. Try to code daily for 30 to 60 minutes, or plan with fixed coding sessions on the weekend. If you think you have no time, just open your phone's settings and look at your screen time. I bet with you that you spend a lot of time on Instagram or on TikTok. Just use this time for getting better at coding, because consistency is the key to getting better. And this is also true in any other parts of your life. Now let's talk about AI. Learning to code was never as easy as it is in 2026. You can get so much free information with AI, and this really quickly. But you have to use AI in a smart way, not just for vibe coding. So don't just copy and paste code from ChatGPT, but do this instead. Ask AI how you could approach a problem, but think about it yourself first. Don't just throw your idea you have at ChatGPT and copy and paste the code, but ask ChatGPT instead how you could approach the problem, and then if you have to get information you don't know, ask ChatGPT to explain the code and not just copy paste it. Another important point is the mindset. Learning how to code is a marathon, not a sprint. Therefore, it takes a lot of time. There are no shortcuts. And also very important is, you don't have to aim for perfection. Just aim for progress, because people will ask for the website or the app you've built and not for the code. So you don't have to optimize every single block of code you write. To sum up, start with a simple website using HTML and CSS. Then build a small project also using JavaScript. And then real quick move on to a bigger one, and here you will learn a lot. Comment I'm starting if you're going to start coding this year. And if you want to know 5 hard things I wanted to know earlier, watch the video on your screen next. Thank you for watching.